to know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for you.
Hey guys, good morning y'all. We are in Walmart. I am coming in here to get some breakfast corn dogs. I'm gonna get some when I go grocery shopping, but we just need some for now. Let's see, here you go. How much for those? Anything, $10.
$10 for that?
5 you get, let's see, 12, $10 for 12. 5 for $5. That's $1.
That's $1 one. That ain't bad.
No.
So you actually buy 10 and you get 2 free?
Right. Okay. Yeah,
I
but
mean,
that's too much.
that's
No.
$10 for
Yeah, I'm not paying that much for those. Because I can get them cheaper going to Sam's. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
No, like that'd be good, but you see that price on there?
Yeah, that's $10. Them things high. They don't went up. Now, how much are the great value ones for 10 of them?
$6.26.
Oh, well, that's not bad.
You want to buy it?
I don't know. Like I said, I'll just wait. Then I'll just get 2 boxes. I'll just get 2 boxes of them. I mean, I'm pretty sure they'll still be good. All right, what else on there? Frozen open? Yeah, y'all, prices are steady going up for everything. Everything prices is steady flying. Steady going up, steady rising. Like this.
This side frozen.
Shoot, corn on the cob cheaper than corn on the cob, $6.98 for 24.
This used to be $2. It's $4.30 now.
Wow, that's crazy. But you can get corn. You can get corn cheaper than you can buy breakfast corn dogs, and you can make them yourself. Buy some sausages and do your cake your batter. Cause that's crazy. Lord have mercy, y'all. These prices. Alright, we over here because I'm making some red beans tomorrow. We got rice. And I gotta get flour.
You might want to get a big bag for Deontay coming over.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You buy 2.
Oh.
But that's plus tax you want to end up paying.
Yeah, but how big? Let's see. What's that? A 2 pound. That'll work.
How many of these?
It's a 1 pound. I'm gonna get this one though.
Oh, so you have to buy.
Yeah, I'll get that one. That's fine. No, I'm just getting one. The top one I gave you. Cause these crack. A lot of these broken. Let me get that pad. Cause mama making some okra gumbo.
Alright, red bean seasoning. That's right here. They said it was a stock.
Red beans, right? Yep, red bean seasoning mix. Oh no, that's that one. It's this one. I need 2. And we got the smoked sausage and we got the smoked neck bone. Yep. All right.
We got some more of these?
We need rice though.
I just brought some. That rice be good.
But you gonna eat some today?
You gonna make it for me?
For what?
I just want to eat it. I just like to eat it.
You gonna just eat some rice today?
Yeah, I eat it plain.
Oh, I guess, because I was gonna make some chicken salad. And we still got that chicken left in there with the mashed potatoes, because Philip probably gonna eat. Okay. I mean, if you want a thing, just get a bag of it. That's the fried rice one.
Which one you made the other day?
The regular chicken rice. I made the regular chicken. But yeah, I'm gonna get some
Yeah, I'm sorry, but this right here, this rice is up the devil. I'm gonna sit here and eat the whole pot.
So that's all you want is some rice.
I eat some chicken. Rice and chicken.
And I'm gonna make some chicken salad, so I gotta get.
Okay.
I need to look over here for a pack of thighs. A pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, these the bone-in ones. These the bone-in. I need the boneless. Boneless. This should be enough to make a thing of chicken salad, huh?
Chicken salad?
Chicken salad. Yeah.
Yeah. It's 3 pounds.
How much was that? That's 10. Yeah, just get one small one. I guess she need it for her Rouge. For her gumbo. We got sugar. I don't know. But if she needs the grease, I got Crisco. So she can get a Crisco. I'm gonna see if I want to make some brownies. Something sweet. So we can have something sweet for Sunday. I can make 2 things of brownies. Supreme chocolate chunk, good. Yeah. Alright, just get 2 little boxes. Don't you need cooking oil for that? Well, I can, like I said, I can use that Western cooking oil for oil. Pick me up 2 things of juice so I can get one of these milks. Yeah, that's right there. That's why I said, give me some juice. I'm gonna get 1 thing of milk. Excuse me.
I got lemonade.
Oh.
I ain't got nothing down there.
They don't have no jug juice? Yeah, they do. They got jug juice on the side. I got me a thing of milk. Yeah. Dang, $2.48. God, everything here. Okay.
All this beer.
Ooh, watermelon punch though. Nope. Keep going, Alicia. Come on, let go.
That'd be good.
I'm gonna get this juice. They got some right here. They just got the pink lemonade one. And a fruit punch or 2 pink lemonades. I'll get 1 fruit punch. I'll get 1 of each. That'll last them. I guess I can get a few minutes of my time out here on this beach. In the cold feeding these birds.
I gotta feed my buddies. They always love when I come out here.
Oh, you better go and crush that bread up. He got a cheap bag of bread. Actually, he got 2. What he got 2?
Because I'm about to feed them good.
Are you gonna feed him both bags? I meant bag of bread.
I need your help.
Well, I'm not holding this. I'm not holding no bread. I'm not gonna have a part of this, because they ain't finna attack me. I'm scurry. I'm hungry too. I got 10 minutes till it's 11 o'clock. And I got my chips on deck, because I'm gonna eat them as soon as 11 o'clock here. I know it ain't breakfast, but I'm hungry. Yeah, this fast is taking me through some changes in my body. That bread even looking good. Not this flat bread.
You want a bite?
No, I got 10 minutes. I got 10 minutes. Listen. But we at our regular little spot we always come to, y'all.
Hey, God feed the birds, I can feed them too.
Y'all know we come out here. You out here now and I'm recording you, so go ahead, player. Go that way. Tell me where you gonna be so I can be the opposite way. I'm gonna stand right here on this little thing, mind my business. Go ahead, baby. You gonna feed them. Uh-oh, here they come. Here they come. Away from my husband. I don't want none of these birds to attack me. Oh. got back in the car. That ain't fair. How you get back in the car before me? He said, God, they sure did eat that bread quick, didn't they?
Did you record it?
Yeah.
Think I should feed the rest out too?
Go ahead.
You gonna help me break it?
Here they come. They coming. Look out. They coming. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Once they get their food, they go on back over here on the water. They go and sit back on the water.
I'll be back next week.
Okay, y'all, we done made it back from Walmart. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what we got. I'm just gonna include it in this video because it's not worth me doing a whole separate haul. But I just got this juice for them. Hold on one second. Oh, sorry, y'all. I had to turn the TV down a little bit. Okay, instead of getting the, I'm gonna show y'all the juice I'm talking about. Hold on one second, because they only had lemonade. Where's the juice at? These. They only had the lemonade one, and he still have 2 in here. So, and I didn't have to get him any grapes, so I just got this juice. And y'all know they out of school Monday for Martin Luther King holiday. So I just got these 2. So they'll have one for today, tomorrow, and Monday. And like I said, I'm going to have to go grocery shopping Monday because I won't be able to go Sunday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Mama got doctor's appointments. She do her chemo. She got her regular appointment with her medical oncologist. And then she got to get a PET scan. So we're going to be running. So the only way for me to do the bulk of my shopping is going to have to be Monday. So I got one of the fruit punches. Then I just got the pink lemonade because that's all they had. I didn't get any tea or lemonade because we have some tea here. I got one more thing of my chocolate milk, one more thing of white milk. I got me some boneless, skinless chicken thighs because I'm about to put them in a pot, season them up, and boil them. I want some chicken salad. I have been craving chicken salad. Mama needed some flour for her so she can make her roux because she's doing okra gumbo tomorrow. And then we got her some shrimp. $10 in shrimp with the heads on and everything. Jordan picked him up a bag of these and he picked me up a bag of these. But I'm about to give Philip the rest because I only wanted a little, so I done ate what I was going to eat. You know how you got that craving for a little bit, then you don't want no more? So those will last, little man. And then I got 2 of these Supreme chocolate chunk brownies. I think I'm gonna make them this evening, so today, so I won't have to worry about making them tomorrow. This will be their dessert for tomorrow. I got 2 of my Zatarain red bean seasoning. Jordan picked up one of these Norris rice because he want me to fix him a bag. He said he gonna just eat rice. But I fried chicken thighs yesterday, so we have, I think they have 3 or 4 left in there. So they'll have leftovers. He can eat his chicken. The frozen cut okra from Mama Gumbo. And then I got 2 pounds of my red beans because I was gonna get 1 bag and Jordan was like, just get 2 because Deontay gonna be here, my brother gonna come, his kids will come. They all eat red beans. So they'll have red beans, rice, smoked sausage, and smoked neck bones. Huh? Oh, you sure? I thought that was smoked neck bone. You said smoked neck bone.
Let's smoke chicken necks.
Let me see. I'm finna look.
We talked about that the other day with smoked chicken necks.
Let me see.
I'll tell you.
Because I remember when you said it, because I was thinking about Brittany. Because Brittany be saying smoked neck bone. Let me see. Oh, they turkey neck. Ooh. But you had said smoked neck bone.
No, I didn't. Ask Mama. Mama, what we said yesterday, turkey neck, right?
Well, however, here you can take these out then, so I don't have to worry about it. The smoked turkey necks, and then I'm gonna leave my seasoning in here because I'm gonna do my seasoning blend, so I won't have to worry about cutting that up. But I'm not gonna take it out today. So we're gonna have smoked sausage. Well, I'm doing red beans and rice. Oh, I gotta take the smoked sausage out. Oh Lord, I'm glad this is vlog style. But you know what, Ed? Well, I'm gonna let you get them then, dear. Because I told y'all, if y'all have not caught that part of the video, we cleaned the deep freeze out yesterday. And I'm gonna get my water from Sam's. I'm gonna pick up 5 of them, 4 or 5 of them, so we'll have enough. So Jordan getting out the smoked sausages now. So like I said, tomorrow I will be doing my red beans, smoked sausage, smoked turkey necks with some rice. And then Mama gonna do her gumbo. She's doing, what I told y'all, okra gumbo. So yeah, so that's all we got. And actually it wasn't bad. It was $47 for this stuff, which was not bad at all. And so I'm about to do laundry. I have to wash Mama E bed sheets. I think she's well, she probably gonna get her shower, but I gotta wash her bed sheets and get some laundry done. I'm about to make me a pot of tea because I didn't have my tea this morning. Y'all remember I had got these plates. I had got 2-pack of these plates because they was 2 for $1 at Winn-Dixie, and they was a 45 count. And these all we got left of the first pack, so I'm gonna throw the second pack in there. And then we got a few plates left, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these plates. Trying to see if there's anything else I gotta do. I'll probably stock up some more of my spoons and forks. If they gonna take anything home tomorrow, they can take them in some to-go plates. Drawing out the smoked sausage out. Yeah, that's fine. That'll be enough. I'm gonna cut them. I guess I'm gonna do my brownies, but my other pan, I'm not gonna use that pan. I got a pan down there I'm gonna use. I'm gonna let, excuse me, I'm gonna let Jordan put my deep fryer back down here. Oh man, I think that's it, y'all. So I'm gonna get my milk put up. Here you go. Can you grab those spoons and forks down for me, please? And that's all I need from you. Yeah, I thought it was recording early, but Philip was like, Mama, it's not. But I was telling y'all something, and I can't remember.
You tell them about if they see you stop, you know, Milo.
Oh, yeah, I was telling y'all Milo here. So if y'all follow me on Snap, y'all know he's here. I didn't take my medicine this morning. Yes, I did. I took one out and put it in my pocket, but I took my medicine this morning because I remember taking it. Okay, I'm losing my mind.
Hey, y'all. Bye, y'all.
But yeah, he's here. So like I said, follow me on Snap if y'all mind. Because when I'm not currently recording and the kids here, I'll put stuff on Snap. I'll be exposing them. Yeah, but she asked me if we'll watch them. And I told her no. She texted me. What she did, she texted me. She said, Mama, I'm down the street. You want to watch Milo tonight? No. And she was like, oh, that's yes, thank you. And when she came, I'm looking at her like, keep having the scissors. And I said, I'm not keeping. I said, I'm not keeping him.
And guess what I told her I would have done? When she left, her dog would have been right behind her out that door.
I said, huh? Well, see, she left and went to the store and came back. And when she left back out, I wasn't even in here. Because she said she was going to go get him some food. Because I said, you didn't bring him no dog food? And she was like, no, I just, I had gave him some bologna or something, she said, because he loved to eat bologna. All them dogs like that. And she was like, no, I didn't bring that. I forgot. She said, but I got to go to run to Walmart, so I'll just pick him up a pack of bologna. Because I was like, because I ain't got nothing. And she didn't come back with no bologna. So you know what Milo ate? What I cooked. Mama was eating some chicken, so she was giving him some, and I gave him some of mine. And that's what he ate yesterday. And he was full and fine. And he didn't eat no breakfast this morning. I didn't eat this morning. So I'm going to give him something. I'm going to give him something. And his mama better come pick him up. And Talia and them came last night because they went out to eat at one of the restaurants up the street from us. And they dropped off Daxter. But they came right back and picked him up. So yeah. I told them they not going to bother me with these animals or nothing. Our little animal gone. Lord have mercy. God called Savannah home. Savannah is up with him. And we miss her dearly. But I'm done. It's just like a baby. I'll tell you when I want them. I'll tell you when I want to see my grandfolks. When I want to see them. That's it. Yeah, we do got leftovers. And that's what they eating today. Juice put in here. And I told y'all I keep Milo. And I keep my water. I keep my water on the door. I'm gonna get him a plate. You want some turkey? You want some turkey, little turkey? Give little turkey some turkey and cut it up. Your mama coming. I don't know what time she coming, but she coming to get you. I'm just gonna cut this turkey up for him. Yeah, I don't know what time your mama coming, but she coming. Some protein. Want some protein? But I wasn't gonna buy no bologna until I go grocery shopping. But you'll eat some turkey. He been eating my peanut butter crackers. I gotta buy me some over. I'm gonna pick up me some from Sam's, because Sam's sell them in a big old box. All right, little buddy. Okay, little buddy. My hands. Come on. There you go. Some water. Little Milo, tear that up. He is hungry. Bless his heart. He ain't had breakfast this morning, y'all. He did. So bless his little heart, and I'm going to give him some water. All our little puppy bowls, like the dog bowls we had, when Savannah passed away, when Savannah passed away, we threw them out. Milo ate that already. Tell his mama what he ate. I got some eggs. I gotta make my groceries. I always try to keep my water stocked up. I'm gonna let Jordan put this back up. Come back in. Because I have to actually stand on my stool to do that. Milo, tear that up. Oh, baby, hungry, huh? Don't drink your water. You done eating? Drink you some water. I'm going to leave that plate up there for you because you won't need it. You want to open it? I'll go on and put this up. Because I know I'll ask Mr. He'll do it. He will do it, but I'll do it. This little boy. outside right now. All this stuff just cups down. I need some more cups out. Is she taking it?
Yeah. I don't know if I'll be able to afford it though.
What are you going to get? Philip, you don't even know how much they are.
I know, that's what I'm going. Sissy. Well, to be exact, 30 minutes if you have to wait for the traffic.
What?
She said that the Dollar General is 2 minutes down the road, and I said 3 if you have to wait for traffic. Hey. How y'all doing? Yeah. Do you have one of those Tylenol? Like, where are they at?
What Tylenol?
The Tylenol. I like the ibuprofen.
You know what ibuprofen is?
Oh.
And I done fed him. That's done. I won't have to bother this.
Hey, Mom, did you get 2 notifications from me?
I don't know. I'm recording.
Oh.
For what?
From the App Store. It's the other
Hold
one.
on, yeah. Why you gonna tell me no? I ain't got no notification.
Why literally just hacks in the message?
Well, maybe my notifications want to tell you no. That's flour, y'all.
Where?
Let me see.
Let me find it.
Well, find it. So I'll get started on
What you cooking?
I think I am gonna go ahead and just do my
Wow, what you cooking?
my brownies.
Oh, you cooking again?
Well, actually, I'm making a chicken salad because that's what I want to eat. But I'm making y'all some brownies.
Brownie.
I really know this pot don't go with the ought to go in there with it.
Installed. Keep waiting.
Yeah, I didn't get no notification.
Unless you do it by the password.
Move.
Why can't I ever see it?
Because I don't want you to know the password.
Why?
Because if you know the password,
Actually, no, because I only install games I actually want. Hey,
I love you.
hey, for who's I love you.
Yeah, that's my point of letting your phone have a password. So only I can put it in or only I can approve something. So that way I know what you got on your
Well,
phone.
sometimes you can approve it. Sometimes it just lets me do it by myself.
Yeah, if it's rated G. I'm gonna rinse these chickens off real quick.
Give me the dinosaur.
Even though it's frozen, I'm still rinsing. Put my seasoning in there. Now, water. Yeah, for onion. Hey, Mary.
This Cynthia and Celeste is coming over tomorrow with the family.
What?
Miss Cynthia and Miss Celeste is coming over tomorrow with the family. Her mom's not feeling good. She said that her mama is starting to say people don't like her. And she don't want to go nowhere. And she said she got to call her doctor. She said it might be her medicine. And she was like, well, her brother was going to come watch her. And she said she didn't want him to come over.
Well,
She didn't want to.
told you we understand how it is. I mean, they come when they can. They can't, they can't. Yeah, mama talk to them. I'm finna just cut up this onion.
Don't look at me. Because you and Dusty don't want to stuff. I didn't go see something. Come on before I change my mind. That was the dog's for his son.
You gave it to him today? Well, Riri, just go in with him. Make sure he do what he's supposed to do. All right, I got my onions in here. I'm going to use, no, I'm not going to use this. I'm not. I'm going to use some of my kicking chicken. It's about 2 tablespoons roughly. Some garlic powder. About 2 tablespoons roughly. Because this is a whole bag of chicken. I'm going to use some of the Southern Blend poultry seasoning that. This is the one T got us, or is this the one we picked up? This is the one our brother T got us, because I know we picked up different seasonings, and he blessed us, him and his wife blessed us with some seasonings.
This smells good.
I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of everything, because like I said, that's a, 3-pound bag of thighs? Some salt-free roasted garlic and bell pepper. I put this on my fried chicken yesterday when I fried it. And Jordan said, babe, I don't know what you did, but he was like, that chicken was on point. And last but not least, I'm going to put in some of my just a little filet, because I love using my filet. It just pops it over. And I'm only going to do like a teaspoon of filet, because it's potent. It's potent. And then my Weiler's bouillon cubes, I'm going to do 4. Because again, I got 3 pounds of, what I just said there? 3 pounds of chicken. And then that'll be it. Then I'll just taste my, when my chicken is done, I'll taste the flavor of the chicken. And then when I get ready to mix up my chicken salad with my celery and stuff, I'll see what I need. What seasoning I need to mix my stuff up. Some butter. I'm just going to use the whole stick in it. You don't have to. That's what I'm doing. Because I want my chicken to have a good buttery taste to it, and I want it to be seasoned, but I don't want it to be salty. Y'all know I always add. Sorry, he blocking y'all. His bad. He ain't mean to.
My bad.
He ain't mean to block y'all. The pimping. But y'all know I always add something to mine. I can't just do a recipe. I can't do a recipe right. This is why he don't like to deal with me. Cause
She don't know how to follow directions.
I don't.
Like, for instance, it don't say nothing about no extract or no pudding. But she got, I don't know. If she could, it say 1/4 cup of water. If she could, she probably would substitute that. But she ain't gonna do it.
Oh no, I normally substitute my water with milk. But yep. But the only reason I'm not substituting my water with milk today is because when you do it with the milk, it come out like a little bit more on the cake side, like a cake base side.
Mm-hmm.
And I want it to be some creamy
I don't
brown.
never put no water in my cake.
Yeah, Mama she always do milk. And I do milk with my cake mix too. Yeah, I do. She always do. Even when she make brownies, she'll do milk, not water. The only time I do water is with my brownies. And that's just because I don't want it, because I know I'm adding my chocolate pudding. And I always add chocolate pudding to mine. And I melt some Hershey's on top. I'm having some Hershey's on top. Ooh, go ahead. I know y'all can't see the box, but y'all can trust the process. This is the Dove Milk Chocolate Instant Pudding. Since I got 2 boxes, I'm adding 2 boxes of this. If I had 1 box, I will only add 1. When I use the Ghirardelli brand, I do the same thing. So, 2 boxes. And you can use any kind of chocolate mix you want. Chocolate mix, pudding mix you like. I just prefer Dove because I love the taste of Dove. I love the taste of Dove candy.
I readjusted you so they can see what you're doing.
So, if y'all decide to make y'all some brownies,
follow the directions on the box.
yeah, go on put the water in first, player. Put my eggs on in here. I know most people crack eggs inside of their bowl, but I'm going to trust in Jesus, okay? Because even if I can't taste the egg, I can see how it looks. But I know I get a lot of people do it.
Yeah, you got to get the roots out.
Yep, it's okay. The Lord want me to eat it. He do. He going to bless me in my cooking.
I'm going in with 2 bottles. 2 1/4 cups of water. I guess I'm her sous chef today.
Yeah. Cause see, Bae, when Bae do this, they measures. I'm gonna drop me a few things.
Good Lord, what is that, cake batter?
Yep, I'm gonna drop a few things of this cake batter in here.
Ask them how much it was.
How much was it?
And don't yell at me.
How much was it?
It was $10, and I guess it was plus 70 cents.
Okay. Did he have enough money?
I needed $1 more.
Yeah, $11. He spent $10 on that little.
Okay, well that's what he wanted. He wanted a transformer. He got it. That's his what you call it money? His honor roll money.
Oh,
That's what he wanted. Mama gave it to him for that purpose. So I'm making some brownies.
I'm going in my room.
Good. I'm glad she's making them, not you.
Please don't start with Riri.
'Cause
Okay.
you'll burn them.
And I'm gonna do this too, cause y'all gonna be like, what? Who put that in brownies? Don't nobody put this in brownies. Yes, you do. You can. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm just playing. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in here, just a little. Like y'all know how back when you was in school and your mama them cook something for you and you eat something and you be like what's that taste in the back of your throat? It's always because your grandma and your mama and them added something that they didn't want you to know. And this is the vanilla, cinnamon, and sugar.
AT remix.
I don't ever do box directions. I always do stuff my way. Now I'm gonna let my baby go and mix this up. This how it look, all messy and whatever. And then of course again I use the Crisco because we don't cut corners round here. Just alternate your water and get a little bit more water in there. Ooh. And you know how your brownie mix supposed to look when you pour it. So you're going to want it to be just that. You got a little water at a time. Not a lot. You see all that chocolate chunks? Look at that. Look at that. She gonna taste it.
Put some over here.
Thicker than a snipper. That good no time. That should be good right there. Now I need a spoon. So you're just gonna add some more water, and you know how your brownie mix supposed to look, like the texture of it, I guess I should say.
How will we?
All right, sir, come on. Let's pour this in here. I'm gonna let baby hold it while I scrape it out the box. Then I'm gonna taste my brownie mix. Well, that stuff all on me. What you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Hold on, y'all, because y'all can't see me. Y'all need to see this.
Hold on.
I got a left-handed ass man. See, he the food angle person. I just cook. I done put my clothes in there. Y'all didn't care to see me to put my laundry in. But I'm just doing all of my colors and mama little fitted sheet in there because it won't make sense to do extra. And I only got a little bit of whites. That's all. And a little bit of this cleaner pencil. I'll keep that out for my whites too. That's all. Get these started. Like I was saying, I thought it was recording. But I'm not, I told y'all I won't be able to wash Tuesday because mama got to go to the doctor Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I need to get all this stuff done now. So that's it. Clothes started. Really won't wash that because I just hungry. Jordan done wash my dishes for me. Mama, all she got to do, and I think she about to do that now. Peel her shrimps. I got my turkey necks out. My smoked sausage out the frosting. When these dishes dry, I'll put these up. Chicken is bubbling away. And my brownie mix is in the oven. That's it. So I'm ahead of the game right now. Alright, y'all. I got my chicken done. And it is just falling apart. Just crumbling right on up. So it is nice and tender. And I'm taking it directly from out the pot. I'm putting it directly into my bowl. And when I tell y'all it is coming out the pot to where it's just breaking apart, I let it cook for an hour and a half. It didn't have to go that long, but I wanted it to go that long because, like I said, I wanted it to just be shredding up when I put it. And you know I cooked it in all that butter and stuff, so It's just goodness. Just goodness. Look, it's just coming apart. So easy. So easy. Because I need some of the broth out of it. This chicken. All right, I left enough broth in here so my chicken salad won't be dry. I left that broth for you. Well, I left that broth for tomorrow, so when we do a turkey neck and stuff, we do it in the broth and I'll just pour it in the gumbo. I mean, pour it in the beans. That chicken. Before I season it up. Now she mad.
Hot.
Yeah, yes, babe. I just took it out the pot, out the stove.
You trying? Here, y'all take the first bite. Y'all got it. How it taste? Ooh, they said it's nasty, baby.
And they probably did.
It's really good. Don't need no seasoning.
Well, you know, once you add the mayonnaise and stuff, it may or may not take from it.
I could just eat it like that.
Okay, well, you're not finna just eat shredded chicken.
Why not?
Because it's a chicken salad. And who fault is that you didn't eat all day? Yeah, I don't have any celery. And y'all know I already cooked it in the onions. And like I said, it's not going to be dry because I used that broth and the chicken. I have been craving me some chicken salad. I've been telling Jordan that for a few weeks. I wanted me some turkey salad after Thanksgiving. But I ain't getting none, so.
Yeah, because the turkey didn't last.
Right. We ain't have enough left to make a turkey salad, but I said I either wanted me a turkey salad or a chicken salad. I do put a little mustard in mine. Not a lot, just a little. Just like I do with my tuna fish. You don't have to. I don't want it to change the color. I just want a little bit in there. Also put me a pinch of sugar, just a pinch. Okay. Thank you. Just tell me if I got enough of everything.
Y'all get a first bite. Get it! Eat it!
He say it's good, y'all. I hope it's good enough for him, because that's what he say it's good. I like my chicken salad cold, like I like my tuna fish and my turkey salad. They gotta be cold. Done. It's something light that'll still fill everybody up.
Let me show them juicy burgers I made. Dude, look at that juicy burger. Ooh.
Yeah, it was good. Since he want to talk about it's good, it was good.
That's real good.
So when it cools off, it's gonna be better. Yeah, like I said, I like mine in the refrigerator. So what your girl finna do? I like mine cold. I'm finna pop this in the freezer for a little bit because I need it to get cold so I can eat some. I told y'all this broth right here. This broth is gonna be some good old goodness for tomorrow for them turkey necks. Turkey necks, right? Ain't turkey necks? For them turkey necks, smoked sausage, for the beans. I'm gonna get up early. Well, not early, but about I was starting about 7, so I can have my beans on because I'm not gonna be in the kitchen all day, and Mama gotta do her gumbo. So if I can hurry up and come in here and just put my beans, start my beans boiling, because I don't soak my beans. I know some people do. I don't, because I let my beans just naturally cook. I do rinse them and clean them, but that's it. I never soak my beans. You can, I just don't, because I let my beans go low and slow for about 3 hours. If they take 3.5, they take 3.5, but it's normally between 2.5 to 3 hours. They just gonna cook slow and slow. And they be so tender. They don't be overcooked. They be flavorful and everything. And that's it, y'all. So I got my turkey salad done. I got my, what you call it? I got my turkey salad done. I got my, what else I just said? I just told y'all. Turkey salad, my broth for my chicken, kitchen clean. I got my whites in the washer. I got my darks in the dryer. And then when the sheets finish, I make up my bed. I'm gonna go take me a long hot bath. Make me a long hot bath. I'm gonna leave this pot out. I done washed it. I'm gonna leave it out on the stove because I'm gonna use this pot tomorrow. I'll put that broth up once it's completely cool. I'm gonna use that pot. The turkey necks and stuff I put in the bag for tomorrow. Turkey necks and sausage I got in the second bag. I'm about to. These clothes here is almost done. Let's see. I'm about to get my color clothes. I'm about to get these clothes out of here. Oh, did they done? Nope, it's still coming. They still there. All right. Well, my clothes still wet, so I guess I got 17 more minutes left on my whites. So by the time these come out, these will be dry. I'll put those in the dry. I'll fold these, and that's it. I'm gonna be done for the night. So I know this color crazy, but I'm gonna let y'all go because it ain't nothing else really to see. I done share with y'all my chicken salad. I will come on and vlog tomorrow. I'm not gonna like vlog while I'm cooking because I done did red beans a bunch of times on the channel. But I'm just gonna overall come on Sunday, talk to y'all, vlog, you know, so for my next video. But I'm about to sit down and edit. It's 3:15. I got my chicken salad in the freezer so it'll get cold. I just gotta remember to take it out. And that's it. I'm gonna have me a chicken salad later on this evening. That's it. But I see you guys. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comment section what y'all are eating either for today or for Sunday dinner. And what team, if y'all watching football, what team y'all going for, your husband going for, or if you are one of my fellas, what team y'all going for? Who do y'all think going to the Super Bowl? All that good old stuff. So, yeah, I'll see y'all later.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.